I want to tell you a little bit about the Duratec HSI axle that's over and above everything else that we've dealt with. Not only are we able to save money, but this is called a beam. This is the thickest beam that we have been able to find in the whole industry. That means that this axle coming out of the factory is stronger. This is made in America. Strong American guys and gals in Des Moines, Iowa. Hopefully, we'll have a link to that factory so we can just see how different they are. Another thing, the torsion axles they use, which is an axle that has a rubber rod. It has 4 rubber rods in the middle of the axle, and it gives an extremely smooth ride. But the torsion axles they use have a thicker rubber and a more substantial rubber than anybody else in the industry. So we're using superior axles nowadays, cutting out the middleman, saving money, and the big thing, sometimes more important than the money, is the time. There might be someone on vacation on I-40, and this has happened over and over again, broke down, my axle broke, my lugs came off, and do you have an axle? No, we don't, but within a couple hours we can have one welded up for you and ready to go. And Brady does a great job. I really appreciate the fact that he can be here in Northwest Arkansas where he grew up, and he can be around his girlfriend Lily.
Hi, I'm gonna give you a tour around the shop and what I do in here. So when I came back, they set me up with a brand new welder, everything I need to put these axles together, and all the tools I need, all the stuff I need to get the right measurements and put your axles together right. Then throughout here I got cut off torch in case I need to rebuild axles and cut off fold perches. And right here we also got all the axles that you could pretty much think of. We got our leaf spring, or we got 2 sides of leaf springs. We got our more heavy duty ones right here, and then your regular smaller trailer leaf springs. Then plenty of hubs, 5.5 or 5 on 5.5, 5 on 4.5, whatever you can think of. Brake hubs. And right here we got all of our idlers, U-bolts, and other parts for the brakes. That's a tour of our axle shop. I'm happy to help y'all with whatever you need.